Hi po! Dahil may pinuntahan kami sa Saitama, pag-uwi napadaan kami dito sa Anas Trading. Tapos naalala ko, kasi Sunday to, sabi ko, alam ko meron silang tabi hoday. Eat all you can. Ayun, meron nga sila. Sabi nila, Sabado at Linggo, meron silang tabi hoday na ganito. Eat all you can siya. Ayan, sinigang, may lugaw, tokwat baboy. Syempre, hindi mawawala ang rice. Tapos yung kanina na jelly mango siya. Kare-kare, bopis, lechon, lumpia. May nakalimutan pa ba ako? Ako lang ang kumain. Grabe ang kain ko dyan. Kaya, next day na ng hapon ako kumain. Kasi, nakadalawang ulit yata ako dyan. Pero hindi ko naman siya naubos. Tapos si Habi, konti lang yung pagkain niya. Ayan. Kung pwede lang iuwi. Hindi pwede. Pero sulit naman yung 2,200 siya per person. At dahil maganda ang ilaw nila, ayan, tingnan nyo, maganda tayo sa video. Ang ganda kasi ng lights nila eh. Super busog. Super tagal na namin hindi nakapunta rito. How many years na talaga. Kaya, hindi namin expect na may restaurant pa rin sila. Pero tingnan nyo, yatiro pa rin sila. Talagang every week. Saturday, Sunday daw po. Tapos Monday, pahinga nila. Tuesday to Friday, order kayo ng ano lang, kung ano yung gusto nyo i-order. Super sarap, super busog. Dito naman kami sa tabi nila, may kakanin at saka groceries.
Hi. That's ensaymada. You see the ensaymada on top? Mangga. May bago. They changed the style, man.
Yeah, you can check out back there.
Oh.
But I think since they're cooking their own stuff now, because they asked us wanting help for a baker.
Oh.
So maybe they moved everything up here so they could use that back there as a kitchen.
Oh, okay.
Ganisa, menudo, spicy laing,
No,
opus,
I don't think I will eat again.
kare kare.
No. We have saba.
Shanghai roll.
Corn beets. Oh, they have boy bawang.
I didn't see boy bawang. Other black bawang. They got super bawang.
Ah, so big. It's not boy bawang, eh? Different brand.
Yeah. Cebu mangoes,
Oh,
sardines,
bangus.
fishies, bangus,
Yeah.
puti.
Yeah, dato puti. Oh, puto.
Puto.
You said you want this.
I said you never made them.
You want me to make?
Can you do it?
Try it. See if there's instruction. You like it last time. But we need a container,
You don't have it yet.
like
That
small
little-
containers. Champurrado.
You need galaman,
Yeah.
buko,
Yeah.
One.
Yes. Well, how much is it?
91,
5.
5.
Mm-hmm. We'll try this on champurrado. Mr. Glaman White.
Right up to the green
Oh,
one.
oh, look at this taho. It's an instruction.
Yeah, troublesome.
Hmm?
Troublesome. Magic syrup.
No, we still have many.
Tapioca.
No, we have to. Tapioca.
Leche flan.
What's that? Mm.
Leche flan.
No.
I got one.
Yeah,
Cheesy
you got it.
cassava.
There's only one? Get 2
One.
for you. I don't know if it's good.
One.
This one?
Goldilocks.
Yeah. What drinks you want?
Have drinks.
Oh, they have here too. Look at the cassava here.
It's better.
Yeah.
That's better than the frozen one.
Yeah.
Yeah, get 2 of those.
Mhm.
That one I can eat. I'll put this back.
Pwede pong dalawang kasaba. Dalawa pong kasaba. 3 na lang po. Naging 3 na tuloy. Okay po.
Grace, pabot ang bibingka, ilabas natin.
Bibingka.
Bibingka
The
with
egg pie.
I order.
Pwede pong order na.
pwede,
Tatawag po.
pa-deliver. Bigat.
Kutsinta. Okay.
Ano pa, ma'am?